What's up, you guys? I'm about to get the little K truck going. Maybe I'll pull that sucker up and lower it or something. Throw some rims on it. But I think in this toolbox, I need a little electric fuel pump. Because I want to pull off the, watch out, doggy. I want to pull off the fuel lines. Because I don't want to run that fuel that's in there. Maybe we'll pull that little K truck up, lower it or something. I know I had a fuel pump, a little mini one somewhere. Oh, here we go, right here. I'm pretty sure it's a little fuel pump. Watch out, doggy. It says flow, 12 volt. My neighbor gave me this toolbox and had a whole bunch of little stuff in it. I think that is a fuel pump. Don't smell like it ever had any gas in it, though. We've been to find out. Alright, what else we need? We need some fuel line. Yeah, look, all old school tools. Those was grandpa that gave me the box. All the stuff. I got old school Time Light. All brand new stuff too. There's a lot of stuff in there I ain't never even seen or even know what the hell it's used for. Oh, there we go. Set the points. Pretty sure. Yep. I said, look, that's all the little chart. Dang, that's some old school right there, y'all. Now I just need some fuel line. That's some skinny stuff. I don't know. That might be him now. That K truck got an itty bitty little carburetor on it. All right, let's get up and see. We got the fuel pump. Let's take this one. Oh, y'all know about the Bridgestone. Yes, sir. Bridgestone Tire Company. They made these suckers from 58 to 71. This one I got from, where'd I get this one from? An auction I was in at the, I think McLaren Air Force Base. Oh, yeah, that's what it was. Yes, sir. That's where that sucker came from. It was an auction. It was I don't remember if it was what was it? Government Liquidators, maybe. Or Iron Planet. I think it was Iron Planet before Government Liquidators bought them out. What's up, Harbor Freight? You see what I'm using, man? What's going down? I need the hookup. Shameless plug right there, man. Them Harbor Freight welders kicking butt all day, too. Got good rate on it, too. Let's go take a walk. The Mazda Miata J, the 32. Let's go check out this K truck I'm talking about. Man, I've been clearing stuff all week, just loading stuff up. I'm trying to get all this flattened out right now with the tractor. Level it out so I could, I'm gonna do all concrete right here. Let's go check out this K truck. Damn dogs love running through here. 50. Hurry up, you big horse. 63. Hopefully soon to be a wide body on it. Nova. Chevy 2. Oh, you can't pass up the Grinch. 71 Impala. All right, let's see. Here's the K truck, y'all. I already pulled the cover off. This used to be my little runner. I used to run all my stuff back and forth, my tools from the front to the back. Let's see the fuel line I found. So I'm gonna have to get a nipple though on here for this side, the fuel pump. I hope this some bitch is a fuel pump. It doesn't say nothing about no gas on it. Maybe I'll have to look up that number on Google. what the hell the neighbors did. Says 12 volt. Negative ground. I better look that sucker up before I plug it up and start putting some fuel through there. Throwing some flames out it. Bam! Be like the Mordor Nova. Catch that thing on fire. Alright. So I already traced it down, so I believe this is the fuel inlet to the carburetor. Because this one's going back to the tank. Yeah, it's gotta be it. Let's check it. I might just be able to just cut that sucker right there somewhere. And then run it up to the fuel tank. I just don't want to fire this thing up with that. That's so much drier in the bone. I don't want to fire this sucker up with that other gas that's in the tank. This sucker won't work. Oh yeah, we good, Jack. I ain't even got to cut that line now. Yeah, we good, we good. See, this one, when I first got it, it was only a 4-speed. The sucker was only a 4-speed when I got it. And then when they sent them to the States, they put like a little blocker plate. Well, I'll just show you. And all I did was cut out the blocker plate. I'd watched it on YouTube, how to do it. Oh. See, but right underneath there was a blocker plate. You see, it says 1, 2, 3, and then I don't know what the heck that was. It must have been a 4 on. No, I don't even think so. Maybe it was a 3-speed. And then now it's a 5-speed for sure now. That sucker, bam, every gear. Yeah, it's a little plate off in here. So you just take a little grinder or a little cutter or whatever and just zip that little plate out. See, now it goes into 5th. Before it's a blocker plate. You try to go to 5th and click. But I think this thing only does like 55. And that's stretching its legs. Neighbor kids got me. The ones back there. Little jerks. Yeah, but we gonna get the K truck going, y'all. Ooh. Dang, I don't even want to touch that sucker. Look at that. That's the clutch and the brake reservoir, I believe. It's all... Man, that thing is toast. I not got no brakes. Oh shit, we got brakes. I hope she ain't locked up. It's been sitting back here for years. Yeah, but we're about to get it pushing in the K-Trizzle. I've been seeing people cruising these things. Damn horse. Dogs messing with the horse. Yeah, I've been seeing people cruise these little trucks, so I don't know if it's a Honda pattern, 4-in-100, or what the pattern is on this one. I have to look it up. But yeah, it's the project of the week, I guess. It gave the Miata Jeep project a little break. And you gotta switch your brain up sometimes. I'll park it to the side. We'll get back on it here in a few days. Well, thank y'all for tapping in. Like I always say, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't be scared. You might learn something.